Theta digital currency is a decentralized video conveyance network with its own blockchain, intended to invigorate channel sharing. Video conveyance networks as of now experience the ill effects of unfortunate dissemination in less evolved nations, exorbitant establishment, and a unified gadget. Also, Theta considers the current framework caught off guard for the developing requests that it will look because of the developing execution of 4K, 8K, computer-generated simulation, and other high-level turns of events. Theta was an ERC-20 coin in light of Ethereum blockchain. Presently it chips away at its own mainnet. Theta makes a shared P2P network that intends to take care of these issues utilizing the blockchain, which fills in as a motivation layer to keep up with the non-stop elite exhibition of the conveyance organization. We should find out along with who is behind this venture and what the cryptographic money climate will mean for the cost of a coin. Theta Essential Worth. Theta cryptographic money comprises of two sections. The first is a video conveyance organization. It is framed from hubs that join the organization and give their data transmission. This organization shapes the real decentralized conveyance of video. The subsequent part is the Theta blockchain. It exists to advance motivators so members can join the conveyance organization. Theta makes a P2P network organization of clients who share their transfer speed. The outcome ought to be a worldwide organization that replaces or supplements the current CDN framework. Clients can give their gadgets as reserving hubs that send video transfers to any watcher on the planet. A reserving hub is a hub where video information is put away. Since the Theta organization will have undeniably more reserving and transfer focuses than the ongoing framework, stream quality will move along. This is because of the way that video parcels won't have to travel that far. Storing hubs will be compensated with Theta tokens. Theta's blockchain will likely act as an agreement connect for installments and compensations in the biological system. It is critical to realize that video documents are not put away in the blockchain. This wouldn't be imaginable because of information necessities. The blockchain is completely open and the group trusts that designers will make and post their own dApps on the blockchain. Theta value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Theta organization is $1.22, and Theta is as of now position number 49 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Theta organization is 1 billion Theta, with a market cap of $1,220,603,233.44. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has diminished by $0.0015 in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Theta has been in a decent vertical pattern, subsequently expanding by 14.13%. Theta organization has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Theta has expanded by 34.92%, adding a giant typical measure of 43 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now in the event that it keeps on developing. Theta organization value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Theta organization costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Theta organization will be $1.32. The greatest level that the Theta cost can reach is $1.59. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.38. Likely return for capital invested, 60.6% by Theta value figure for WOC 2023. In view of the value changes of Theta organization toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Theta pace of $1.07 in WOC 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.969903 and at $1.11 separately. Likely return for capital invested, 12.1% by April 2023. Theta organization value conjecture. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the Theta cost in April 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $1.07, while the most extreme could reach $1.16 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Theta organization may be around $1.11. Possible return for money invested, 17.2% by Theta value estimate for May 2023. Crypto experts have checked the value vacillations of Theta organization in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Theta rate they anticipate may be around $1.13 in May 2023. it can drop to $1.09 as a base. The greatest worth may be $1.20, likely return on initial capital investment, 21.2% by June 2023. Theta organization value estimate around mid-year 2023. The Theta cost will be exchanged at $1.15 overall. June 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Theta organization worth to $1.26. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $1.10 in June 2023. Expected return for money invested, 27.3% by Theta value figure for July 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Theta organization costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July 2023 $1.17. The least and pinnacle Theta rates may be $1.13 and $1.32. Possible return for money invested, 33.3% by August 2023. Theta organization value estimate. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Theta cost will be around $1.20. In August 2023, the Theta organization cost might drop to at least $1.16. The normal pinnacle worth may be $1.36 in August 2023. Likely return for capital invested, 37.4% by Theta value estimate for September 2023. Having broke down Theta organization costs, digital money specialists expect that the Theta rate could arrive at a limit of $1.42 in September 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $1.20 for September 2023. The determined normal of Theta organization is almost $1.25. Likely return for money invested, 43.4% by October 2023. Theta organization value gauge around mid-2023. The Theta organization cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $1.28. Crypto experts expect that in October 2023, the Theta cost could vary somewhere in the range of $1.24 and $1.47. Possible return for capital invested, 48.5% by Theta value gauge for November 2023. Market specialists expect that in November 2023, the Theta organization worth won't dip under at least $1.28. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is $1.53. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $1.32. Likely return for money invested, 54.5% by December 2023. Theta organization value estimate. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of Theta costs all through 2023. For December 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Theta organization will be around $1.59, with a chance of dropping to at least $1.32. In December 2023, the normal expense will be $1.38. Possible return on initial capital investment, 60.6% by Theta organization value forecast 2020.